Hi there and welcome back. I'm just here to do a quick flip through of one of the fall autumn kits which are in Etsy and have been in Patreon a good month or so. These two first sheets are just freebies on Patreon. Obviously they can be used with any kit, but I've popped them in with this one. I put lots of fall kit freebies up, and I've also started doing freebie Friday, so every Friday put one or two freebies up for Patreon members. Okay, so altogether it's 40-page kit. If you buy it on Patreon in the shop, it's 40 pages. If you buy it from Etsy, it's 35. So these 5 sheets are just exclusive on Patreon. So I'll show you those first. So this is like a little folio. Flip that up and it's a pocket, or you can take that pocket off and use it somewhere else, or take it off and move it the right way, and then either 3 separate journal cards, or you can have them as a folding trio of cards. So this can be used as an envelope or a folio, or it can be sewn into a journal, either there or there. Got an envelope and like a writing paper, and I've put that leaf on as like a closure, like you would a wax seal type thing. Obviously it can be used for any decoration. Then we've got a page of fussy cut trees. Did I say this was called fallen leaves? I can't remember if I said it or not. Anyway, that's what it's called. Then we've got 2 pockets and 4 tags, and then two labels which are like burlap. This one's a wood one, and then we've got some like wallpaper typed. Pretty plain, so you can decorate them up yourself. So they're the pages from Patreon. All my links are down below. So these are the journal pages. We've got a picture on one side and the writing on the other side. So we've got a lined one and another lined. Loving the colours, like oranges and blues. Got a plain one, another plain one. And again, it's got a different plain background. And this one. Then we've got some full pages which can be used as pages. Can be used, for folios if you want them portrait, or for the tall skinny journals, or to use for your ephemera making. Yep. I've not backed any of these as yet, and I've obviously not cut out the white. So lots of different variations of that one. Okay, then we've got some plain backing sheets. Again, can be used for pages if you want. So I've got this lovely blue, which brings out the blue in the kit. I think the blue and the reds go lovely together. Then we've got a darker blue, very rustic looking. We've got 2 oranges, so we've got a brighter one, and then that one. Got some patterned which I do try and get them so, you know, you can have them either way, either landscape or portrait. Lots of the blues and oranges. A blue one. This is a really deep green. It is a bit greyy green, but I think it's looking more grey on the screen than what it actually is. Like a mustardy coloured one, or gold. Okay, so they are the backing sheets, and then the ephemera. Two little type folios or pocket stuffers. Another folio which can be used as an envelope or again sewn into your journal. Another one of those envelopes with a matching paper with the leaf on it. Some different size tags. Kept them quite plain so you can decorate them. Some window envelopes. You could obviously, you know, take this bottom bit off. I'd leave a bit on there. Turn it that way around. Take that off. You could just use that bit as the pocket and that as the insert. Then we have these which can be used as belly bands or side tucks, or to do a tip in. So you would attach your page to the underside of one of these, score it down there, and then it would flip open. Or you could take those off round that corner, and then you've got some long journal cards. Got a folio cover there. This can be used as another like little notebook cover or a journal card, or it does fit inside, so you could, you know, print that off several times. So you can put sheets of paper in to make a notebook. Got a lovely burlap envelope and some pockets there with the lace on. Keep that bulk down. Some frames and some labels, and then we've got a page of fussy cuts what's got these adorable children on, and then some piles of leaves. So that kit is called Fallen Leaves, and yeah, it's available in Etsy and in Patreon. And yeah, and then the freebies. Okay, thank you very much, and I will see you tomorrow for some crafting. Until then, bye for now.